All right, so today is the day I got my hands on the new iPhone 12. Decided to save myself a couple $100 and just go with the iPhone 12 since there's so many features that are similar to the 12 Pro, and the things that I'm lacking I can live without, and that's my personal preference. So to pre-frame this for you guys, I am not going to give you full specs on this. I'm not going to give a comparison. This is just me opening this up and showing you what I think about the tuxedo black edition of the iPhone 12. So let's crack this open. As we know, it's a smaller box. I like to call this the tuxedo black because it is just sleek and black. This is one of the reasons why I got it. There are a lot of colors out there. I was gonna go for the Pacific blue. I don't know, I'm a black phone kind of guy, so that's why I got black. Of course, you got the Thunderbolt adapter in here, no wall plug. I'm not gonna open that up. Yeah, but there it is, nice glossy black. I gotta say that I actually like it. So the sides are aluminum and not stainless steel, so you don't have to worry about getting fingerprints on the side, just the back if you don't have a case. I would recommend getting a case. I am going to put a screen protector on this because even though it does have a better display to reduce drops and cracks, I am still going to put one on here. Holy cow. Okay, so I was hesitant to getting the black because it's just a bland color sometimes, and sometimes you just want that bold pop. This is a really, really nice black. I was hesitant to buying the black, but I gotta tell you, it is really, really good looking. Brings me back to those vibes of the iPhone 4, and I loved the form factor of it. Actually, I went and grabbed it. Look at this is the old iPhone 4. It's cracked in the front, but yeah, look at that. I loved this thing. This is the mini. This is so small. I haven't held this in my hands in so long. So I wanted to come back real quick. I set my phone up. I put a very, very light, thin layer of 9H screen protector. Very cheap. I'll leave a link below where I got it at like $6-7. Doesn't take away anything from the screen, the color, anything like that. So one of my concerns is that having a really black, like a tuxedo black iPhone, will I get a lot of fingerprints? Will it be prone to just being a fingerprint magnet? And I've been handling this thing already, taking some pictures and whatnot, and what I'm finding is it's very minimal. I remember, I forgot which iPhone model it was. It might have been the 10. I'm not sure which model it was, but it was like a tuxedo black, and the back of it was just so, every fingerprint, it doesn't matter if you washed your hands or whatnot, it would pick it up. And this one surprisingly doesn't do it if that much at all. I am really, really, really surprised. So my initial thoughts on the iPhone 12 Black Edition, I love it. It's very sleek, it looks very professional. I don't mind the glossy back because it doesn't attract a lot of fingerprints at all. I actually bought the Apple Silicone Black Edition, and this is what it looks like with the case on in the back. Again, this is not a review. I didn't even talk about the specs on this phone because you can find it anywhere on the internet or tons of videos on YouTube. I just wanted to share my initial thoughts with this phone when I first opened it, and just take a couple of pictures with it, do the initial setup on my own, and come back and let's let you guys know what I thought about, it's the black, how's the black look, and does it attract a lot of fingerprints? Because there's, initially all these YouTubers who are getting these iPhone 12s, they aren't really talking too much about the black, and like my concerns were the fingerprints. And how does it really look? Does it look, kind of childish? Does it look like kind of toyish? Does it look cheap? No, it actually looks fantastic. I definitely give it a thumbs up. If you guys are, teeter-tottering around if you should get the black or some other color, but you're not sure about the black, I hope this video did help you out because I was looking for a video like this on my own and I couldn't find one. So that's it for me, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. And besides that, I will catch you in the next video.